With HTML you can create your own website. This tutorial teaches you everything about HTML. HTML is easy to learn, you will enjoy it. HTML versions. Since the early days of the web, there have been many versions of HTML. Web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. First you have to download HTML editor. For this course we use Visual Studio Code. You can download Visual Studio Code for free. You can download Visual Studio Code for Windows, or Mac, or Linux, for free. With Visual Studio Code you can install extensions to add new languages, themes, debuggers, and to connect to additional services. Extensions run in separate processes, ensuring they won't slow down your editor. Thank you for watching.